So I've just got back from a trip to Malaga in Spain, which was brilliant, by the way. And while I was at the Contemporary Art Gallery there, I discovered a painting by the artist Graciela Hasper. I think I'm saying her name right. I hope I am. She's an artist from Argentina, and her work is all about color and shape and pattern. She does giant murals, she does paintings, she does installations. She's really interesting, definitely Google her. And I realized that her work would make great inspiration for an art lesson, particularly if you're looking at shape, colour and pattern. I'm going to show you just how easy it is for you to get your students to create a piece of artwork inspired by hers. And all you'll need is a piece of paper, a pen or a pencil, 3 circles to draw around, and you'll need one that's big, one that's medium and one that's small. Use whatever you can find around you. And then you're going to need to have something to add a bit of colour. You can use colouring pencils, oil pastels, paint or felt tip marker pens. Use whatever you've got, it doesn't matter. Take your circle stencils and use them to draw circles anywhere on the paper. Then start to repeat the circles, making sure to overlap them. Now keep doing this until your paper is full, and this is where the tricky balance is. You don't want to have your circles too plentiful and therefore too busy on your paper, but you also don't want your image to look empty. But you will know when the balance is right and you will know when to stop. Now add a variety of colour, thinking about what colours look good next to each other. Things you might want to consider are they cool or warm colours? Are they opposite on the colour wheel? Do they have strong contrast? Or just do it randomly and see what happens. And the beauty of this bit is you don't have to do it all in one lesson. You can spread it over several or use it as a reward for students completing their work in other subjects. Either way, they will love it. And that's it. Enjoy making this with your students, and I'll see you in the next video.